today's topic is Nernst equation. Now, what is Nernst equation? In class 11, we have learned how to find out the EMF of the cell. Formula is EMF equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Always remember that using this formula we can find out the EMF of a cell when it is under standard conditions, that is temperature is 298 Kelvin and concentration of the electrolyte is 1 molar. Under these conditions we can find out the EMF of the cell. But it is not necessary that the cell will be always in standard conditions. The concentration of the electrolyte may differ, temperature may differ. Therefore, in that condition, when the cell is not under standard condition, then we will use this equation, that is Nernst equation. Now, we know that in a cell there are two half reactions, oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. So first of all, let us write the Nernst equation for a half cell. Now for a half cell, suppose the reaction which is taking place, it is M n plus n electron gives M solid, where M is the metal ion, n electron, number of electrons gained, and M is the metal in the solid form. For this half reaction, the Nernst equation is this one. Now, in this formula, E is the electrode potential at any condition. E naught is the standard electrode potential, that is standard reduction potential. You know that the electrode potential is always expressed in terms of reduction potential. N is the number of electrons gained and Mn plus, it is the concentration of the metal ion. Now for a cell, for a complete cell, Nernst equation is E cell, it is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log concentration of anode divided by concentration of cathode. Now E naught cell, it is the cell potential. It is also known as the EMF of the cell. E naught cell, it is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. N is the number of electrons lost or gained during the redox reaction. This is the concentration of anode, this is the concentration of cathode. Always remember that value of N, it will be same for the two half reactions. Now for example, suppose in a half reaction the number of electrons, suppose zinc changes into Zn2 plus 2 electron. This is a half reaction. Value of N is equal to 2. The second half reaction is Ag plus electron gives Ag. Here value of N is equal to 1. Since the value of N must be same for the two equations, therefore second equation is multiplied by 2. Now we have to add this one. On addition, the equation is Zn plus 2Ag plus gives Zn2 plus 2Ag. Electrons are cancelled. Now, how many electrons are lost or gained? 2. Therefore, value of n, it will be 2 here in this formula. So, this formula, it is applicable for a complete cell. This is a very important formula. Every year in your board exams, numericals usually comes on the next equation, and so in the next class we will find out how to solve numericals using this formula.